AI voice recorders like the Recolx Tap have become a must-have when it comes to voice recordings, transcriptions, translations, and deep AI analysis. Gone are the days of spending too much time taking notes, missing key moments because your phone's battery is running low, and struggling to remember everything from a lecture or a conversation. As an example, I've been using the Recolx Tap during church services to highlight bullet points, transcribe and translate long lectures in different languages. It does support 112 languages. But most of the time, I use this in tandem while listening to audiobooks or YouTube videos and content that interests me. Now, while I could continue to take notes with a pen and paper or my laptop, while those things are still have value, I find the Recolx usually picks up on the things I missed and expands on what I didn't. And what's even better, using its deep AI analysis, I can ask it questions about certain recordings and extract key relevant info without me having to scan through the entire summary. But more on that later. And it's all powered by ChatGPT 5 and Claude 3.5. Now, in the box, you'll get a proprietary charging cable, magnetic rings, a protective case, and a carrying pouch. And of course, let's not forget our Recolx Tap. One of the main differences when it comes to the Recolx Tap compared to other brands is its powerful deep analysis and AI Q&A features. Here's a previous recording, and notice how not only does it show the transcription, but it also identifies speakers. That's right, with an S, speakers. I can also scan through the summarization and see what it pulls up, but I also, if I go all the way to the bottom, I can choose different templates for my summarization depending on the type of template, like general, meeting, interview, speech, and calls. What's also awesome is that it features a mind map, which is always useful for young speakers to identify and model their speaking after efficient flow of thoughts. This is great to level up your speaking. And then there's the AI Pro that uses advanced analysis and strategies. This is deeper because not only is it just summarizing, but now it's analyzing your content for deeper insights. Of course, if we scan all the way to the bottom, we see that we have different templates for these analyses and strategies. And finally, you can chat with the Recolx AI and ask it questions. So here we go. Let's see here. Give me a 3-sentence summarization of the main points that are being presented. And there you go. Just summarizes it just fine. And if I want, I can go here and choose different agent templates to give me different responses depending on the in-depth report, reverse thinking, podcast smart summarizer, or game theory analysis consultant. Again, different ways to analyze your content. What's also cool is I have the commencement speech here for by Steve Jobs. And again, you can see the full 18-minute transcription of it. We also have the summarization that we can go over it. Of course, the mind map there to see the flow of thought, of Steve Jobs, the AI analysis provided for us, and of course the Q&A. So I'll say this. Give me a 3-sentence summarization that second graders can understand. And there we go. A quick summarization that even second graders can understand. Some other highlights when it comes to the Recolx Tab is that you can capture inspiration anytime with this little voice recorder. Also, don't worry about the battery in your phone because everything is done from the voice recorder. It's compact, portable, and you can take it anywhere with you. And because you're in control of your recordings, you don't have to worry about accidental recordings draining your battery or your space. All right, guys, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.